Hey guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I will be unboxing the DJI Mavic Air 2. I'm gonna start by saying, if you're thinking about buying this drone, do not buy it from DJI directly. It's the worst thing I ever did, and I'm gonna tell you why a little bit later in the video. But for right now, let's get into this unboxing. So, it's an easy lift off top. Just pull it up like that. This is my first time opening it myself, so I didn't even know what was coming out of it. Looks like they pack everything into the bag for you. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing out of the bag. The bag itself seems like it's pretty sturdy. It's really nice leather. It's very compact. It's pretty small. So the first thing we're gonna take out is the drone. Here she is. Don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but it's definitely a her. We like to see her. Yeah, so here she is. Here's the drone herself. Let's see. It's a box. These are the batteries. The good thing about the combo pack, the Fly More pack, is that it comes with 3 batteries, and that would be for me the biggest selling point on whether to get the Fly More combo pack versus just the drone itself. So it has a battery loaded into it already, and then it has these 2 extra ones. This would be the charger for the batteries. It's pretty cool that it comes with a triple charging point. You can charge 3 of them. They don't charge at the same time, but from what I've read, it charges each one like in order from which one has the most battery life to which one has the least. So, but when you first get it, do not put them on here. You need to charge them each one by one first. There's some type of glitch in the system where it just won't onboard right. And this is the controller. Packaging. This is the controller. It has a nice feel to it. It's very sturdy. It's pretty yeah. So it doesn't come with the sticks on it. They are right here underneath. Just get to pop them out. You just screw them in. And that's how you get your, that's how you control it. I really like the build of this. It feels really good. Has the record and picture button right here. Yeah, this is pretty dope, pretty cool. And then this is the type, so it doesn't come with a screen. Your phone is what goes on top of it. So it's nice, it easily pulls up just like that. You put your phone on. My phone is not, oh yes it is, it's right here. So let's just try it out. My phone is a bigger phone, so it's a little different. I have the iPhone XS Max. So here it is with my phone in it. Yeah. So you're gonna download the DJI Fly app, and then that's how you'll be able to control your drone from your phone with the remote controller. It has the, see which one it came with in it. Yes. So it came with an iPad. It came with an Apple Lightning Bolt port. So luckily for me, I do have an iPhone. Just gonna put this in. Yeah. So it's just gonna connect, put it in there. Boom. We love to see it. Makes it have like a really nice finish to it. Yeah, like it's cool. Yeah. And then when you're ready, you know, just wrap this back in and it goes in nice and tidy. Yeah. So what else does it come with? It looks like that's all it has in this part. There's a zipper, and I guess if you have an Android, this would be for your type of phone. Yeah, Androids. And then we have the filters. Another selling point for the combo pack. So these are the filters. As you know, they would go over the drone itself. So like on sunny days, you know, cloudy days, give it like a LUT feel. So this is what the drone looks like fully opened up. It's very heavy, like it's not plastic, like it's like very, you know, sturdy. It has all these stickers on it, so A, B, all of that. We're gonna leave it on there for right now, but here they are. I'm gonna take out the propellers and get that set up for you guys. Has a quick start guide. We love to read. We love the quick start guides. I read these before I even bought them because I like to know what I'm doing before I even get it. But I read it so that you won't have to. So it comes with 2 packs of propellers. These are A propellers, these are B propellers. They tell you on there. So as you should know with a drone, the propellers go like A, B, B. Like these 2 propellers are the same and these 2 propellers are the same. So we're gonna start with the B propellers. Comes with so many, so if any break, then easily you can fix that and continue to fly your drone. Another selling point for why you should get the Fly More combo. Okay, that's A, this is B. So you're just gonna line it up. Snaps on really easily. You can open it if you want, or you can leave it closed. I'm gonna leave it closed. Take the other B. Selling point. Get the Fly More combo pack. You get more propellers. So you just snap that on in. Boom. Then we go to the A propellers. 1, 2, 1, 2. You know, just snap it in, snap it in, snap her in, snap her. Yes, sir. Got one in. Yes, sir. Got the other. So this is what it looks like, you know, all set up with its little propellers, you know, ready to spin, ready to take off. This right here is just the gimbal protector. You do not need this when you're flying. It will mess up everything when you're flying, so you definitely need to take it off. It comes off pretty easily. Just click and it comes off. Here's the camera. She's cute. She's really cute. She's mad cute. Ooh. Ooh. She's cute. Hello? Yeah. She's cute. Yeah. So this is what it is, you know. I'm gonna get this all out of the way. Just a recap of what it does come with. All the things it comes with. Let me get these out of the way. It does come with extra controller stick things. It does come with extra controller sticks. So if you ever break them, lose them, it does come with extra. So we're gonna put this back on. So just as a recap, this is all of the things that it comes with. It comes with the drone itself, of course. Comes with the triple charging port. Very excited about that. Comes with the filters. Extra cords in case you have Android, because it already has the iPhone built in. The charger, the charger, the charger. Then this remote that I completely love the build of. Like, it's so easy to hold. Like, you just want to hold it. Like, it just makes you want to hold it. And then the detachable controller sticks. We're gonna take them off right now. We're gonna put them in their little ports, so that way when we put them in the bag, it will not break it. But if it did break it, it does come with extra ones. So it's a win-win either way. Yeah. And then the 2 batteries. 3 in total, but 2 extras. We love to see it. We love to see it. So this is everything that comes with the Fly More combo, including this nicely built leather bag. You know, I'm really satisfied with this purchase. But let's get into this story about why I say do not buy from DJI directly. So when I was purchasing this, you know, usually I buy everything through Amazon. I bought my camera through Amazon, lenses through Amazon, my Ronin through Amazon, my mic through Amazon, my lights through Amazon. I buy everything through Amazon because I have Prime and it'll come in 2 days. Can't beat it. Sometimes one day, sometimes same day. Can't beat that. So I go on Amazon and it's out of stock. They have the drone itself, but I wasn't gonna just get the drone. I needed the Fly More combo, and it was out of stock. So I'm like, okay, let me check DJI. Like, it's their products. Maybe I should buy it from them. So I go to their website. It says 1 to 3 days shipping. It should arrive in 3 business days. And I was like, okay, that works. Like, it's cool. So I order it, you know, get everything set up, and it tells me arrive in 3 business days. So the first day passes, the second day passes, the third day passes. I'm like, okay, I haven't even gotten a shipment update. Like, has it been shipped? Like, what's going on? So I contact them. I'm like, hey, like it said it was gonna be here in 1 to 3 days. I haven't even gotten any shipment details, any tracking numbers, none of it. So they go, you know, they give me the runaround. Oh, you know, COVID-19, blah 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 blah. It's gonna be delayed, and I'm like, okay, cool. So when should I be expecting it? And they go, give it another couple days, and you'll get, probably by tomorrow, you'll get a tracking number. I'm like, okay, cool. So I did get the tracking number the next day, and it said that it was shipped from DJI, but it said that it hadn't been received from FedEx. So I'm giving it a couple days, you know. It's been a week now. FedEx still hasn't received the package. I'm like, okay. So I text DJI. I'm like, what's going on? FedEx hasn't received the package. Like, when is it gonna ship? They tell me it's shipped. I'm like, okay. So they say you should contact FedEx. Okay. I contact FedEx, and they tell me that they have not received the package from DJI. So I go back again to DJI the next day and tell them, can you please send this package out? You know, I was looking forward to it. Like, it said 1 to 3 days. Now it's been like a week and a half. Like, what's going on? So they say they apologize, and they're gonna expedite it, and they're gonna make sure it gets out. So in the next 3 days, FedEx receives the package. So then it's gonna take, like they said, 1 to 3 business days. It takes a week for it to even leave China. I wouldn't have gotten it if I knew it was coming all the way from China, but I wouldn't have gotten it if I knew that it was coming all the way from China, because there are US locations for DJI, and I thought it would be coming from there, considering I do live here. But it came from China, and it took a week for it to even leave China. And then when it got here, it was being held by customs for like a week. I had to call them to have them release it. And then finally, a month later, tomorrow will make a month since I made the order. Here it is. So that's why I say do not order from DJI when you can get it in 2 days from Amazon. Yes, it was out of stock the day that I wanted to get it, but it was going to be in stock in the next 3 days. But I just didn't want to be patient, you know. Patience is a virtue that I learned. I learned that now. But hey, I'm satisfied. You know, I'm gonna show you guys some footage of the drone when I take it out for a spin, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna be doing a lot more unboxings. This is my first one, so yeah. Comment below if there's anything you'd like me to unbox to get. Yeah, thank you for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Need them subscribers. Yeah.